subsystem. Okay, this hub station block diagram. So the block diagram consists of this is the antenna subsystem. Here, from you have a host. From the host, this is redundant packet switch, network control system. This is system console. This is operator terminals. Okay, so all these things, I think you people went the last year to the ISRO. Okay, you know the operator terminal, the system, everything. Okay, from the host place. Then from the network control system, one big office is there. So from this, you have FEC, then system, timing, data, NCS multiplexer. This is data network control system, and data or the network. This is basement equipment. From this, redundant transmission system, auto redundancy control, redundant receiver subsystem. Okay, now from this it will go to this point. Okay, now you have a duplexer, then it will transmission and receiving. For that we have a duplexer. Then uplink power control, video subsystem, both combined you have a redundant transmission system. This is video. Multiple host interfaces and multiple pads. So this is distinguishing feature of Vsat system. The earth station antennas being typically less than 2.4 meter in diameter. The trend is Vsat system. The trend is toward even smaller dishes, not more than 1.5 meter in diameter. So the diameter of the Vsat, very small aperture terminal system. In this sense, the small TVRO terminals, television and receiver, okay, for direct broadcast satellites could be labeled as Vsats, but the appellation is usually reserved for private networks, mostly providing two-way communication facilities. So typical user groups include banking and financial institution, airline and hotel booking agencies, and large retail stores with the geographical dispersed outlets. So you have the example is given. You have a satellite. This is the remote stations from houses, service provide hub center, then location 1, location 2. That is main office. This is location 2. So how the from the hub station, this is I have given the block diagram. Okay, from how the signals are transmitted and received. So the sending signal is given in a blue color, receiving signal is in a red color. That is Vsat remote sites. So from this, how through the satellite the signals are transferred to one location to the another location. Vsat network. So the basic structure of a Vsat network consists of a hub station which provides a broadcast facility to all the Vsats in the network, and the Vsats themselves which access the satellite in some form of multiple access mode. So that is very important. The hub station is operated by the service provider and it may be shared among a number of users. But of course, each user organization has exclusive access to its own Vsat network. Here, time division multiplex is the normal downlink mode of transmission from hub to the Vsats, and the transmission can be broadcast for reception by all the Vsats in the network. Or address coding can be used to direct messages to selected Vsats. A form of demand assigned multiple access is employed in some systems in which channel capacity is assigned in response to the fluctuating demands of the Vsats in the network. So most Vsat systems operate in the Q band. There are some C band systems